represent any Manobo or Mandaya tribe. Yeah, we're just connecting beyond before Mandaya and Manobo tribe.
Actually, we are not really highlighting that we represent a tribe because we came there to represent this Lake City, the story that we are bringing, the dance that we brought to the stage, not because we represent a tribe. We just want to join there to experience and nothing to expect. Like that, we were just happy to represent our city.